Hello everybody, this is Delby Bragais, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the 3 ways to success in today's creator economy. Coming right up. Let's go! Profit from your passion. So let's start with the principle behind the creator economy. Who is a creator? While everyone can be viewed as a creator, from your grandmother who bakes yummy fudge brownies, your sister perhaps who creates a yoga video, or a friend who's a fashion designer and creates fabulous clothing. Actually, we are all creators. However, in today's context and for purposes of this discussion, a creator is someone who produces products or services in the digital space that they in turn can monetize. You can also be selling physical products, but you use a lot of the digital component in moving your product. So for me, you're still considered a creator. So the principle behind the creator economy is quite simple. Create something that you like or are passionate about and use that thing to make money. What you create is entirely up to you. It could be something like a blog, a vlog, music, yoga, whatever, funny videos, how-tos, etc. So the list goes on and on. Today, technology has made it possible even for newbies or amateurs to create their own content without the need for huge investments, huge capital. All it takes is a little research and idea of what to create. The content can then be monetized, potentially making a lucrative income. How big is the creator economy? In the Creator Economy Report, shared last September 21, 2021, and based on the Creator Economy Survey by the Influencer Marketing Factory, they state that the creator economy is a class of businesses built by more than 50 million content creators, curators, social media influencers, bloggers, and videographers that use social media, platforms, and finance tools to assist them with their growth and monetization. The creator market, which is combined with an influencer marketing industry size of $13.8 billion in 2021 and hundreds of new startups, brings the total creator market to a size over $104.2 billion and is increasing daily. 3 ways to success in today's creator economy. So these are my top 3 tips. Number 1, create digital assets. With more and more digital assets that you create, you increase the probability of more visibility and creating more credibility in the space, thereby having more profitability. So very important though to make sure that you create in the space that you find very interesting or the space you love, because this will make sure that what you are doing is sustainable, and you will find out that you will be more fulfilled when you love what you're doing. Tip number 2 is nurture networks and community. Why? For 2 reasons. Number 1, this is a great amplifier for your brand. I will give you an example. If you put out a post, for example, selling a service or a product, and you have good relations with the people in your network or your community, the probability that they are going to share this out there and increase your reach, increase your visibility is higher than if you did not have any network or community at all. So number one, this is a great amplifier, but number two, they are potential buyers of your products and services. So nurture networks and community. Lastly, build brand. By this, I mean your personal brand. Simply put, this is your reputation and the way you are perceived, whether online or in person. Because at the end of the day, your personal brand is going to be the gateway to attracting opportunity, whether we're talking career growth, whether we're talking about increasing clients or sales for entrepreneur, or generally monetizing your passion or expertise. So build your personal brand. And as they say, the best time to start building your personal brand was yesterday. The next best time to start building your personal brand is today. There you have it. 3 ways to success in today's creator economy. Good luck! Happy creating! If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you are informed every time we post new videos. Here's to purpose, passion, and prosperity.